Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by opening Pages and picking a template or blank document. This gets you a layout and styles immediately. Next, make sure you're signed into iCloud so autosave and sync work, which prevents lost drafts. Then set page size, margins, and a default font. This saves formatting time later. Once done, insert a title and a short outline so your document structure exists. These first actions create a consistent foundation for everything that follows. Now you'll add and shape content. Type directly or paste text, then apply paragraph styles so headings and body remain consistent. Change a style once to update every instance. Insert images and tables, then use arrange to align and wrap text. This keeps layout predictable. Create sections when you need different headers, footers, or numbering, because Pages treats each section independently. Make sure to use the format pane to tweak spacing and indents. This ensures professional, readable results across the document. Finish by exporting or sharing. Export as PDF for printing, Word for collaborators, or EPUB for ebooks. Choose image quality that balances file size and clarity. Share with an iCloud link and set permission to view or edit, because that simplifies collaboration without multiple versions. If something breaks, styles, images, or pagination, revert to a prior version from File Revert To, or copy content into a fresh document to strip hidden formatting. This quick fix resolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.